Good morning, Sheena. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. I am Sheena is Alohamiento, 35 years old, single mother. I have two children, 9 years old and 8 years old. I live in Bacan, Sebasti, and Tiki. I have two brothers and two sisters. I am the third child in the family. I am Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I did not finish my college because of financial problem, ma'am.
Okay, who will take care of your children if you work abroad?
My mother,
Do you have work experience abroad?
no, ma'am. I
Okay.
only work here in the Philippines as domestic helper for 5 years to a couple with two children. They are 8 and 3 years old. I do cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes, marketing, and cooking, and take care of the children.
Okay, how would you describe your employers?
They are good to me.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No,
And how would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, trustworthy, honest person, and a happy person.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, ma'am. I am cesarean operation 4 years ago.
Okay. Are you under special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
And why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work in abroad for my children education and to save money to build my own house.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
I will treat maybe the baby if it's hungry and I feed the baby, or maybe if it's not feeling well, I tell the madam.
Okay, what will you do if the children are naughty or will not listen to you?
I cook nicely and slowly to be more patient to the kids, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please sing it.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark. Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now do you have food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids, elder, or other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your day off is not Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you accept no day off, instead employer will pay you?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, ma'am. I will just focus on my work.
Okay, would you like to work with employer who has many children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have full consent of your family to work
Yes,
abroad?
ma'am.
Okay, now will you please say something to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. If you select me as domestic helper, I will finish my contract if I am extended if needed. I am hardworking, trustworthy, honest person, and can work with less supervision. Thank you and God bless, ma'am. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Okay, thank you, Gina. That's all.